Hey, it's Clary, and today I'll be showing you how to use the server page. Firstly, to set up donations, you want to head to the server you want to set it up for. Once you're there, you can just press the server page button. There you can simply press server page so that's enabled. And then underneath you can see other options such as showing the IP and hostname on the server page, accepting donations, and showing recent donations. On the right side here is where you can set up server presentations. You can give a description of your server, list what the server entails, or you can just paste a random Among Us text character. Once you're done with that, you just have to press save presentation for it to appear on the server page URL. To get your server page URL that you can share with others, you just have to copy the URL here at the bottom next to the presentation. To view it as well, simply press it. As you can see, my server description is now displayed, as well as my Among Us character. As you can see from the server page, you can simply press to enable server donations. Whether you want your server page to show recent donations is up to you. However, after you've enabled donations, you can share this URL link with anybody or even have it linked on your Discord. When someone opens up the URL, they'll see your server IP and then they'll have the option to donate. Then they can enter the name they want to be viewed as and then select the payment method. Now when a donation is made, you'll see it here on recent donations if you have it set up. Donations will be immediately added to your account balance, and if you want to take a look at all the donations going in and out, you can head to the transaction history. You can simply click here and you'll see it all below. Thank you so much for watching. If you need anything else, please don't hesitate to contact our support. Bye guys!